first period, we're gonna have special scheduled. I'm gonna be doing a vlog of a life of a middle schooler. So yeah, 420 Gucci gang, and I got bangs, and I'm wearing clips, pink clips, and then I'm wearing this shell shirt, and I'm sweating. And yeah, I'm in first period, so. This is gonna be a whack vlog. I already know it. I'm gonna try to vlog in all my periods, but I don't know if I can. I can barely vlog in this one. I have my computer like behind me. So. You guys want to be on my vlog? I'm gonna post this up on YouTube. Okay, now I'm gonna go to second period. We're vlogging for today. Second period. Okay, so now I'm walking to second period. And great, you know, amazing. Kid that owes me a cookie, that doesn't owe me a cookie. You want to be in my vlog? What? Sure. It's for YouTube. Hi. Okay.
You know what you're trying to sell, right?
Shh. We're doing this for YouTube. Say hi. Hi guys. I'm gonna go to, like, it's my favorite crackhead, so I'm going, huh? I didn't eat them. So I'm going to second period. I'm here in second period now. And that's my other cracky. So guys, you guys want to be in the vlog? It's for YouTube.
Oh hell yeah.
Woo! Yeah. I'm gonna be vlogging this whole entire day. We're gonna go to science now. It's a life of a YouTuber. So I'm in the restroom in second period, and I saw Soraya, and and this is her fit. She's wearing Tommy Hilfiger. Where'd you get your pants? I'm gonna post this.
I don't care.
Where'd you get these pants?
Texan.
Your shoes?
Vans.
Okay, my fit is pretty cute or whatever.
Y'all should add me on Snapchat. I'm kidding. I'm not trying to get booty.
That's your vlog. Okay guys, now we're going to nutrition now, which is AKA. Wait, nutrition is basically a field where you just like, it's like recess, but for us we call it nutrition.
Oh my god, oh my god.
You want to get a shout out for YouTube?
Fuck no, nigga, I'm not with that.
Shh.
Orale. Hey.
But okay, I'll let you guys know when we're in third period. Or I might film right now because I'm in the bathroom right now because we're taking a test for third period, so we can't really record in there. We're doing our state testing, which is like stressful as flip. But yeah, I'll insert a clip of, what was it called? The talent show that we had right now. It was like for an hour, so our schedule is freaking mixed up. So yeah, okay guys, so right now we're in homeroom, and homeroom, guys, say hi for my vlog. This is gonna be on YouTube. So yeah, we're in homeroom, and I'm very bored.
She's hungry.
So we're gonna go to what's your next period? Fourth period. Then we have fifth, and then we have sixth.
Because we're special. Our school is special. That's totally our normal day schedule.
Totally.
Totally.
Okay, guys, you guys want to say bye for homeroom? Bye, homeroom. Bye. But okay, so my friend Raul, I'm gonna go to Piggy now. So my friend pulled the fire alarm, and we don't want to do that. Oh my God. Go crazy, guys! Hi guys. So they pulled the fire alarm right now, and we're just right here sitting down.
Let me tell you what the homework is. That way, if you want to work on it, you know.
This is classwork apparently. I'm so bored, guys. Like,
You guys, your homework is page 21, right side only, my peeps.
okay, so I'm gonna close out this vlog and tell you guys what happens in 6th period if we go to 6th period. Because right now everyone's talking, I can't talk to you guys, but bye. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go to 6th period. And okay, guys, so I am finally home with my madre and my brother. And today was an interesting day. Right, Mom? This is my madre, guys. My birth giver. And yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bye.